Dukkie. Come here. Dukkie. Hey.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Oh, stay. Want your sweater on, dude? Sweater? Run. There you go. Head first. Good boy. Roll over. Good. Huh. Get your bone. Where's your bone? Get your bone. Get your bone. Get your bone. Get it. Alright, guys. We're at Big Meadows again, but we got a Shenandoah IPA bear fence, and it's a double IPA. Shenandoah Valley Spring, Sorry City Bear Company, Virginia. Alright, so we got your local beer. Let's try it out. Not bad. Most likely this was a beer that's getting brewed from another company, but who knows. But we do have bought a couple bags of chips, salt and spicy crab shack, and then I bought hot habanero revenge, and we have a peanut butter chocolate, and then we got some Zweigels for tonight. But for now, we're gonna chill, relax, since we just drove 8 hours. Dude just ate. Everything's set up and ready to go. Dude, in the van. Come. In the van. Go. In the van. Good boy. In the van. Go. In the van. Good boy. In the van. Good boy. That's my good boy. Your heat. 67 degrees ain't bad. We're gonna go for a walk around this campsite. Dukkie, look at, already started. This is where Dukkie turned green a couple weeks ago. Hey, come on, get up. No, 45 through 46. And you walk down there, say 47. There, you park there, and then you walk down there and you camp right there. It's kind of nice. I bring my tent. I would have to suggest this campground for everybody that's watching this channel, because there's lots of tents, pull-ins, back-ins, roundabouts, and big RVs, small RVs. I mean, this one right here, you can pull in, but you can put a tent. These ones right here, you can walk in and pretend it's like a primitive type deal, which is kind of nice. We were here 3 weeks ago, and we're back. And we're here for 2 nights this time. And full day tomorrow, we're going to hit the Appalachian Trail, but we're going to go the opposite way we did last time. So nice. Back in. 65. Nice. So nice. There's more tent ones back there. Nice. There's a lot of tent. Oh, so you go right to the back. So number 20. That's nice. Another tent ones. Alright, so this is the B loop. We just came from that side, which is the A, and this is B, and it's going to take us back to where our campsite is. There's still reservables. And there's also probably pull-ins too. Like first come, first serves. It's going to be pretty cool. Dukkie's doing the sniffing thing. Dukkie, you stay. Hey! Stay. Dukkie. No. Hey! Be nice. Dukkie. Hey! Sit. Good boy. Good boy, Jake. People just gave me some wood right there. That's why people are so nice when they camp. That cool bus, RV. I got myself a nice little spot. I'm gonna go to bed early tonight just because we did an 8-hour drive. I was up at 4:30 this morning, an 8-hour drive, so I'm kind of beat. But meanwhile, we'll keep you guys updated on what goes on the rest of the night. American Freedom Tour 2023. Let's get fired up because I have so much more to show. I have many of these. It's 8 o'clock or something like that, and I'm gonna finish up this fire right here, but I'm gonna call it early tonight because I am beat, tired. We did a little walking today, not too much. Meanwhile, I'm gonna watch a movie. We get up, have a good day. We're gonna go back on this Appalachian Trail tomorrow, so thanks for watching. We're gonna get the back window covers out. Like a glove. It's pretty darn comfortable, this little bed. All it is one of those futon fold-up couches. Like, it folds up into a couch with a little that thing, but it goes out to a bed. It's so comfortable. Okay. Sugar. That fire's going down. My neighbor's coming back. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. We've got another day here. And then after that, we're going to North Carolina. And after that, we're going to go to Georgia. And after that, we're going to be heading home for a little while. We'll keep you updated. Things might change. But meanwhile, let's get fired up. American Freedom Tour 2023, fired up.